Stop scrolling. I have an AI tool that can make you money this week, and you don't need to know how to code. Most small businesses are sitting on leads that they never follow up with, and that's lost revenue. GoHighLevel's AI fixes that. It automatically follows up, books calls, and helps businesses close deals even while the business owner sleeps. Let me show you how to find businesses that desperately need this service and how easy it is for you to start making money with it. I run an AI transformation agency that helps companies identify where AI can increase revenue in their business. So my plate is already full, but I'm on a mission to help other entrepreneurs make money with AI. And GoHighLevel is one of the easiest ways to do that. Here's how to do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1, pick a niche with urgent problems. Think dentists, realtors, med spas. These businesses live and die by booked appointments. Now here's the cheat code to finding leads fast. Log into your free GoHighLevel account, link is below, and use the Client Finder tool. You could also do this manually in Google Maps, but this is a much faster workaround. Simply choose Prospecting from the left side panel. Now you can search local businesses and instantly generate reports on those businesses, including marketing audits, SEO reports, and website performance reports. You can then automatically send those reports to the prospective leads or businesses, all from within the GoHighLevel app. And your first 5 premium reports are free. Click the Add Prospects button in the top right, enter your search terms. For example, I might search for commercial real estate firms in South Florida. GoHighLevel instantly generates a list of prospective leads alongside a conversion rate. That conversion rate tells you how likely they are to convert into a client. Select the ones you're interested in pursuing, tap Add, and then Generate Report. It's truly that easy. Pro tip, if you want the AI to keep finding leads for you automatically while you sleep, let's say every week on Monday, without you manually searching, go to the Prospect AI tab next to All Accounts, click Create Your First AI Agent, set your niche and target area, and the AI will automatically hunt for new leads on a schedule that you define. It feels like cheating because it is. Now that you know how to find potential clients, let's jump to step 2. Use GoHighLevel's AI to automate the client's pipeline. You set up things like instant text replies, missed call follow-ups, and automatic booking. And the key here is that it's drag and drop. You don't need to be technical whatsoever. You don't even need to understand what an AI agent is. Step 3, sell it as a monthly service. You charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a month per client. GoHighLevel lets you white label the entire AI setup, so your new clients see their company branding while you control the back end. Because you're not selling software, you're solving a revenue problem, and businesses will pay for that all day long. Here's the bottom line. You're not building complicated tech. You're installing a system that makes businesses money automatically. If you know me, you know I only promote AI tools that I actually love and use. GoHighLevel checks all of those boxes. In fact, it's one of the tools that I use daily in my own business. I've included my affiliate link below, so you get a 30-day free trial, but you could also just go to GoHighLevel and create your own account. The bottom line is this is a tool that is worth using, especially if you want to make money with AI. Follow me for more ways to turn AI into income.